Let's dive into this explainer and map out the exact steps to go from saver to investor.
You diligently stash 10 grand all year, check your app, and boom, a measly 50 bucks.
Hearing about compound growth, you naturally got to ask yourself, wait, am I doing this wrong? Well, yeah. Standard savings earn a pathetic 0.5%. You're literally losing money to inflation. See, saving protects your cash, but investing grows it. They just have completely different jobs. Over 20 years, the wealth gap between basic saving and actual investing becomes absolutely massive. So why don't we cross that gap? It's not math, it's a completely normal psychological fear. To pivot, mentally split your cash. Safety money sits still, while growth money naturally fluctuates. Saving is like storing seeds safely in a jar. Investing? That's planting them to grow. Okay, so here's a super simple, low-stress, 5-step path to start investing safely. Step 1. Stash 3 to 6 months of cash to protect against unexpected life emergencies. Next, start small with just 50 bucks. Remember, building the habit totally beats market timing. Step 4. Keep it simple. Grab index funds tracking the whole market, not individual companies. This is exactly why the legendary Warren Buffett constantly recommends low-cost index funds for everyday folks. The crucial point? Good investing isn't flashy or complex. Consistent, boring investing is incredibly powerful. Just 300 bucks a month for 25 years compounds to a staggering $285,000. Worried about crashes? Don't be. Downturns just mean your monthly cash buys more shares cheaper. Always remember, saving gives you everyday stability, but investing actually buys your ultimate financial freedom. So I'll leave you with this. Are you still just saving or ready to invest?